Maraknya kasus bullying atau tindak penindasan yang terjadi di lingkungan pendidikan
yang dilakukan oleh sejumlah remaja putri di bawah umur di Cilacap, Jawa Tengah menjadi korban
kasus ini dengan memanggil sejumlah pihak.
Bullying merupakan ekspresi menyimpang pada anak dalam upaya pencarian jati diri, peran pendidikan di keluarga dan sekolah sangat diperlukan sebagai penyeimbang.
Start. Let's play chess. Okay, bye. Hey guys. Brit takes the win again. Barca live with nothing.
Yes, sir. Adit must be hurting. So, where you? Little Messi noted.
Come guys, it's just a game. Win or loss, that's a part of game, bro.
But it was an epic game. Check out what I did, guys.
Let's make it go viral, guys.
Madrid wins again. Barca sucks. Madrid owns El Clasico. Barca just there.
Who crashed? Who Madrid please? Barca's already lost.
Hello Madrid.
We're number one. Barca's number. Who cares? Madrid wins. Barca can salty.
They talk too much.
Let's check what's up. What is status? He's so extra. Yo, let's get him back.
Wait, Dad.
Wait, dude.
Wait. Come. Hey, come. What's wrong, guys?
Hey, it's not for you.
Oh, thanks.
You look for the girl.
Yeah, they went too far. I just like Barcelona, but they keep taking it.
Yeah, sometimes people get excited when they think this, but don't let them get to you.
But they spread memes everywhere. I am so embarrassed.
Let them be. Don't fight back. Sometimes the best way to respond is by staying up and showing your more mature.
Okay, yes, I will try to stop. Yes.
Now take my hand, stop the fundamental, let you